So, Flor, you're so beautiful tonight. Okay. So, kinsa may mga inspiration in joining Binibining Barangay Bayabas?
My family.
Okay, my family. Is your family here? Okay, natin sa sila na natin mga supporters and friends din, of course. So, isa na lang na niya question and I guess you, wala na dyan kailangan choice. Imo na dyan ni. No? So, Flor, your question goes like this. If you could only have one wish, what would your wish for? Again? If you could only have one wish, what would your wish for?
Thank you for the wonderful question. If I could have one wish, I would wish for peaceful and united. Philippines, a country where everyone helps each other, live with peace and works together for a better future. Because with peace and unity, everything else becomes possible.